Hello, my dear viewers and all my dear students. This is Deepak Jain, and today in English Mania, we are celebrating the Teachers' Day. So today you are actually allowed to question on teachers and teaching related to this field. Any question you have, you should put it across, please.
My question is that, in your opinion, what type of qualities should a teacher have?
That's a very good question. What kind of qualities should a teacher have? Right? That's your question. Let me tell you that after getting into this field, after teaching the students, what I realized about the qualities that a teacher should possess. Okay, first of all, or overall, a teacher should have a very good personality. Personality doesn't mean only the look, okay, not only the dressing sense. Overall, find the way he talks, the way he walks, and the way he wears dresses, overall, and his knowledge, okay, and the most important, the delivery of the knowledge. Okay, teacher should have a great knowledge and good convincing power. Fine, मतलब बच्चे उसकी बात ही नहीं मान रहे, then what is the benefit? So teacher should also have very good communication skills. Teacher should also have motivational skills, because sometimes some students don't learn because they are ignorant. Okay, so they need motivation. If a teacher is a very good motivator, then he can excel nicely, he can teach nicely. Teacher should be confident also. If a teacher doesn't have confidence, if he is diffident, he really can't teach. एक सहमापन, दब्बूपन, असहजता अगर एक टीचर महसूस करता है, then a teacher cannot even maintain discipline in the class. And first of all, the teacher should be able to maintain the discipline in the class. If he is not able to maintain the discipline in the class, then he really can't teach well. And in order to maintain the discipline in the class, he should have all these qualities. He should be confident. He should have good personality, good knowledge, good convincing power, and the delivery of the knowledge. Okay. So overall, he or she should be having all these qualities. And in terms of learning, he should not stop learning. He should also find out the ways to inculcate the things in students' mind. He should be patient also. He should keep patience. Okay. He should not be impatient. Let's say a child is asking questions 2 or 3 times. Let's say there are children, some are intelligent, some are duffers, some are understanding very quick, some are not. Then the teacher doesn't have to be frustrated on those some students if they are asking so many questions. Okay, so teacher should also have patience. Okay, and teacher should be creative, innovative. Nowadays it is rare, although if let's say a child is not understanding, teacher should change the way of teaching. अगर इस तरीके से नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो दूसरे तरीके से अपना तरीका चेंज करके, अल्टीमेटली टीचर शुड टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज टू इनकलकेट. अगर एक बच्चा नहीं समझ पा रहा कोई बात को या कोई चीज़ को, तो ही शुड टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज, और अपनी कमी मानकर कि मेरी गलती, मेरी कमी है ये, कि मैं इसको समझा क्यों नहीं पा रहा. तो दे शुड एक्चुअली take it as a challenge. They should test themselves through a test, we can say. They should actually test themselves, or they should put them through a test like this. Okay, तो एक मैं ये कहूँगा कि जो कमज़ोर स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं ना, वीक स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे जो हैवी ट्रैफिक वाली रोड्स होती हैं ना, वही आदमी को एक अच्छा ड्राइवर बनाती हैं. सिमिलरली a weak student makes a teacher a very good teacher. Okay, क्योंकि फिर वो अपने तरीके चेंज करता है समझाने के, बताने के. तो then the teacher becomes a very good teacher. And if a teacher scolds the students like this, why are they not getting, why are they not understanding, the teacher should not have this kind of a feeling. Frustration, irritation, anger, let's say he is short tempered. तो ये होना चाहिए, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. If a teacher is short tempered, he should show anger जस्ट टू शो, राइट, टू मेंटेन डिसिप्लिन। वो दिखावा बहुत ज़रूरी है। भले ही अंदर से आपका इंजॉय करने का मन है ना, जोक्स करने का मन है, उनके साथ हंसने का, बट फिर भी दे हैव टू बी स्ट्रिक्ट। उन्हें कई बार एक एंगर अपने आईज में क्रिएट करना पड़ता है ना, अदरवाइज द डिसिप्लिन वुड नॉट बी मेंटेन्ड। ओके, so all these are the qualities that a teacher should have and the teacher should care for. Okay, so that's all I can say about the teaching. Thank you very much.